Here's another lean improvement I did today. This one is going to be for the fiber sponges. I still need to put the Kanban card in front, but this is how it works. There's a slot down here when you need a fiber sponge. Well, obviously you're going to come, you're going to grab it, grab another one, and then when it's time for them to about to run out, this one's going to be right here. And this right here is going to be the Kanban card. You turn around, you scan it, and you put it in here. After they order it and it's time to collect, you fill it up, and after it's full, this is how it looks. Right here is the Kanban card. I painted it red so you can see it. You can see it a little bit better in person. Right here in the camera it's a little darker. However, I just need to add the Kanban card in front, and this would be the dispenser for the fiber.
Right folks, I finally got my GembaDocs all done for how to build a stir mold. I done a wee bit now and again, got it all done because it's in 40 parts and it's split up into 3 sections. So it's fairly easy to follow if you're already a joiner. Maybe not so good to follow if you haven't got a clue, but that's not what it's for. It's for to help out, it's to be an aid for if anybody find not here, no joiner takes my place, just to give them a helping hand to see how to make it easier. So if it all printed out, so it's easy just to flick up and read the next part and go down. So it should be a great help, find that here, and even as a training aid, because that's really what SOPs are an aid and not there to completely train somebody. So,
hi guys, my name is Alan, I am from Argentina, I work in Civiair. I want to show you how we can improve these processes using standards. 20 years ago, the operators had to guess what to do. It's a complex processes with different configurations, and it's all in the memory. Now we have SOPs here, and we have different steps. This is the most problematic processes that we have. Now we don't have problems. Why? Because with the operators take different pictures step by step, so they don't need to use the memory in each step. It's not easy, but we are improving every process.
The question, which offices does this thermostat control? Well, I get that question all the time because we have 14 thermostats in our office. So now you can scan the GembaDoc QR code and it's going to take you to a PDF. It's going to show you where the thermostat is in context, where the furnace is in context, where the condenser is. We have that same QR code on all 3 of those units, and it's going to show you the zone in the office that it controls. Very helpful, and how to change the furnace.